Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whatever time of day you are watching. Thank you for joining me. Welcome back to another Maintenance Monday video. Today's video is about changing out your wiper blades. You know, the ones you only change when it actually starts raining. Unless you live in a rainy state, then you're always changing them, and this video is not for you. In addition to changing out the wiper blades, I am also going to be coating the windshield and rear window in Rain-X, just to help the rain bead off easier. You see what I did there? Bead off? No? Still not getting it? Alright, let's move on then. Oh, and the washer fluid needs to be refilled. I guess I'll show you how to do that too. Well, let's first move the Jeep under some shade, or in your garage, or anywhere really. You just don't want the glass you're coating to be in direct sunlight. You want your glass to be cool to the touch. It'll make it easier to clean and to put on the Rain-X coating. Prior to coating, let's get the windshield as clean as possible first, so that means move the windshield wipers out of the way. Then grab your favorite glass cleaner. Mine is Invisible Glass. I've been using it for years now, and I just really like the stuff. Now, the key to getting super clean and clear glass is by using two towels. One to wipe up all the dirt and excess cleaner, and the second one to wipe up all the remaining residue. Yes, I'm aware the Jeep is exceptionally dirty, but it's supposed to rain today, so that's why the wipers are being changed and the windshield is getting coated. Alright, so while you watch me clean this windshield, let me talk to you about today's video sponsor. It is my sweaty hat. As you can tell, it does a great job at keeping the salty sweat from my eyes and allows me to continue working under these extreme conditions. Go out and get yourself a sweaty hat. If you already have a sweaty hat, let me know with either a comment, a like, or by subscribing to the channel. Okay, now on to the Rain-X. After you successfully cleaned your windshield, you can apply the water repellent coating. Step 1. Spray it directly onto a clean microfiber towel and apply it to half your windshield in a cross-hatch pattern, just like how I'm doing here. Step 2. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes or until it gets hazy. Then grab another clean microfiber towel and buff off the haze. This might take a little bit of effort to completely remove, but you'll know when you're finished when that windshield is bright and sparkling. You can repeat steps 1 and 2 for a greater effectiveness, but I'm just doing it once. And feel free to apply it to the side and back windows for better visibility. Now, the actual reason you're here. Go get your wiper blades from either here, or here. You'll need a 22, a 21, and an 11R for the trunk. Replacing your wiper blades is super quick and easy. Open the tab on your old wiper blade and push it towards the driver's side, and it pops right off. With your new wiper blade, same thing. Open the tab and slide the wiper arm over and into the new blade. Make sure it locks into place and close the tab. That's it. And now, do the exact same thing to the other side. A good wiper brand should last you at least a year or two, given your weather conditions, of course. Don't get the cheapest and don't get the most expensive. Middle of the road is just fine. And don't worry, you have a year warranty on them as well. Alright, let's do the rear hatch. Pull the cap off, lift the wiper arm, and turn to remove the blade. And now, you get to watch me do the exact same process that I just did for the windshield, except I go a lot faster. So I thoroughly clean it, dry it, I apply the Rain-X coating, I wait for it to haze, then I buff off the haze. You do not have to do all this. You can just attach the new wiper blade and be done with it. I'm just doing all this extra stuff because this is my Jeep and I can and I will. On the plus side, why wouldn't you coat your windows? From inside, it makes it look like you're going ludicrous speed in the rain. Anyone get that reference? Or is it just me? So you're done with the rear hatch. Great! Now get your very specific 11-R rear wiper blade. You'll know it's for the rear because it will say rear on the packaging. Just line up the hook with the wiper blade, turn it, fold it down, close the cap. That's it. And just one last thing. This is specific to me, but maybe you want to know how to refill your washer fluid reservoir. It's under the hood by the airbox. Use whatever washer fluid you like. All season, bug remover if you do lots of road trips, or de-icer if you live somewhere really cold year long. Use whatever best suits your needs. You can also change to whatever washer fluid you need for that specific point in time. It won't hurt anything in the system. Just don't use tap water, gas station, windshield water, or straight glass cleaner, because that would just be super expensive. If you need to buy washer fluid, you can 100% get it here, 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 and a bunch of other places too. This was a 1 gallon jug, and there's still room for more. But this is all I had, so I'm done. Well, I hope all this was helpful and enjoyable, but I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.